In recent years, climate change has become a major global environmental challenge. It has become a serious threat not just to our environment but also to the growth and development of nations. Further, it is a potential threat to the generations coming ahead. There is no doubt that climate change and climate-induced disasters pose a significant challenge to poverty reduction, health and development in our country. However, the impacts of climate change and the vulnerability of poor communities to climate change vary greatly, but generally, climate change is superimposed on existing vulnerabilities. The United Nations also gives more importance on climate action in its Sustainable Development Goal number 13 and urged to strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity to climate-related hazards and natural disasters in all countries. It also advises to promote mechanisms for raising capacity for effective climate change-related planning and management, including focusing on women, youth, and local and marginalized communities.
We will all have to be courageous to look into the future and make yet another step for the sake of humanity.
Owing to climate change, Odisha has been facing quite a few challenges in terms of natural calamities, be it intensive droughts, flood, cyclone, water scarcity, unbearable heat wave across the state and severe fires, rising sea level, catastrophic storms and declining biodiversity. It affects human, animal, bird and environmental health. Odisha's geographic location on the east coast of India and its climatic condition have meant that the state has historically been highly prone to climate change and multiple hazards, mainly cyclones, droughts and floods. Its fluctuating weather conditions suggest that Odisha is stumbling under climatic chaos. The state has been declared disaster affected for 95 years of the last 105 years, floods have occurred for 50 years, droughts for 32 years and cyclones have struck the state for 11 years. A study of the effects of natural disasters reveals that between 1963 and 1999, Odisha experienced 13 major disasters which killed about 40,000 people and rendered more than 34 lakhs of people homeless. Mahendragiri hill range of Ganjam and Gajapati district, the working area of Isara, is mainly a hill range of Eastern Ghat and had never witnessed any cyclone before 2018. But in 2018, the severe cyclonic storm Titli caused extensive damage over southern districts of Odisha, including Mahendragiri region. 28 people lost their lives and thousands of families lost their houses, agricultural and horticultural crops. The region is mainly known as cold region, but the temperature has been increasing in recent years. Similarly, decrease in numbers of rainy days, erratic and heavy rainfall causes heavy landslide, flood and drought-like situation in the area. Now the people of the area are well aware of this effect of climate change.
आषाढ़ मासरे गंगा सुहा मांडिया बुणबू केबा देख झोड़ी 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 आकार ले जोर पानी तो माटी तो बाली माटी तो भूई नहीं जाऊँगी आकिस ये करू
वर्षा ऊपर वर्षा होता इनसे अतिरिक्त वर्षा ना एबे वर्षा रगड़ वर्षा जमी जुमा जुला जिंकड़ा कर दूसरी मांडिया धान इनसे विभिन्न प्रकार मिट्टी कंद होता बिरी कोर्थ जना पना सब होता घंटिया मंडिया कुसला कांगू विभिन्न प्रकार राशि भल राशि होता एवं किसी होनी
आगे जो भाया वर्षार पाणीपाग जो भाया थिला आजिका डेट्रे मात्र जो माघ मस आए गोटे वर्षा होता से पनीपरिया जो करूँ एवं जो वर्षा पानी टी अभाव होची से द्वारा आमर भी पोक कीटनाशक एत नाला कि मात्र ए से वर्षा पानी ठीक नथार कीटनाशक अधिका हो फसल भी एत बल अमल होनी
आमर अक्षय तृतीय जहाँ चाष हवा कथा ए वर्षर एबे पाणीपाग टिके ठीक ना तेणु चाष कर आषाढ़ मास बेलू चाष करले किछि आमर फसल को किछि फसल कर पारनु।
Considering this situation, Isara has taken various coping mechanisms and adaptive strategies by organizing the villagers and different stakeholders to reduce the impact of climate change and climate-induced disasters. More importantly, different individual measures and community-based action strategies have been given priority. In the year 2019, Isara has organized a national-level consultation on climate change effects and adaptation strategies at Bhubaneswar to get strategic ideas for working on adaptation and mitigation practices. 87 numbers of participants from 28 NGOs covering 8 states along with activists, intellectuals, government lawmakers, planners and village leaders were participated and presented their views and work experience on climate change action. The working area of Isara is basically an undeveloped, tribal-dominated and hilly area. The people of the area mainly depend on agriculture, horticulture and livestock for their livelihood. So Isara has been adopting different agricultural-based livelihood activities and natural resource management activities to reduce the climate change effects.
वर्षा पानी रे जो धोईकी नहीं जाऊे अटके बोलिकी रसवाड़ी माटी अटके बोलिकी आपको करागला
एबे सेते वर्षा होनी आमे ये चैत मासरे आरंभ करछु चाष व्यवसाय टिके सेतलको धोई पड़ूची बोले आमे पत्थर वालटा करछु आज्ञा पहाड़ू आसिक धोईकी रखिबो बोले आम तलको जकरा आकी रहिबो बोली आमे काम गोटा करछु
पहाड़िया अंचल जमी गड़ाणी आकी रही जेतु गड़ाणी थिला पानी आसिले गड़ी पड़े जाउतला हिड़ नथिला पथरवाल बांधी जमी समतल कलु ताबे किछि फसल ताइरे आदाय करछु.
Isara has taken adaptation practices like conservation agriculture, rainwater management, crop diversification, mixed cropping, soil health management, agroecology management, and integrated nutrient management, etc. Similarly, in mitigation practices, Isara has supported the villagers to practice systematic rice and millet intensification practices, aerobic compositing, bond planting and green manure, solar-based irrigation, residue management and mulching, organic farming, etc. Isara has established 35 diversion-based irrigation projects in different water-scarce villages in Gajapati and Ganjam district region and 10 solar-based irrigations in Tumba region of Ganjam district. In this system, water is brought from distant streams through pipes and supplied to the agriculture land and villages. This facility has strengthened the agricultural livelihood, income, and food and nutrition security of the villagers. Isara has helped the farmers to revive the crop diversity, mixed cropping practice, millet farming, seasonal vegetable farming and horticulture to strengthen the food security and income.
पानीटा चैत बसा जाए बाटोमा पुरा आउँछ पानी फुल बुल पानी आउँछ आम खाली जाइदिलु को वर्ष बांगन को वर्ष आलू इन्दी करता जब आउते सब लगेई परिबाटा सब पड़ी आछि पूर्ण परिया मार दे पड़छि चारा
बाड़ रे आम पूर्वांती कालरू मांडिया आबार ना कि धान आबार ना कि सुआ आबार ना कि किछि आबार ना ताको एबे समतल करी पानी आइबार टिके टिके आमे एबे माकड़ रोदा वळा टिके टिके आमे मन से चालु
पानी मध्य आमर बहुत असुविधा थिला मात्र एबे इसरा एमसीसी बोला देबारो आमे आज आलू टी करि पारछु प्याज करि पारछु आ पनीपरिबा जाल मत बांगण टमाटर जाल मत करी एबे खरा दिन रे आमे पाई पारछु
सेही पानी द्वारा आमे बांगण टमाटो कोबी प्याज आलू एपरि विभिन्न प्रकार पनीपरिया करके आमे उपकृत हे पारछु आ ग्रामवासी मध्य उपकृत हे पारछन्ते
म पानी मध्य रे आसिया द्वारा आम बारी रे किछि भी परिबा लगै पारुछु भी खाई पारुछु ता द्वारा किछि भी बिकी पारुछु
भण जंगल तिल्ला गात कोन जे उरा बांधी की आ जमी कलो सीटा टिके निके हमको फसल कलो
For soil health and water management, Isara has assisted the farmers to develop their lands, field bounding, gully plugging, and trench digging to check soil erosion. The organization has also oriented the farmers on water management and crop diversification to avoid the climate disasters. The farmers are trained on organic farming, organic manure preparation, compost preparation, residue management and mulching to improve the soil health.
एथिरे आमर हांडी खत ओ जीवामृत ए जैविक सार द्वारा फसल पकईकि भल उपकृत हो पारुछु।
Isara has oriented the farmers to practice different scientific methods like systematic rice and millet intensification, natural pest management methods for low investment and increase in production. The organization has assisted the farmers to develop fruit orchards like mango, guava and banana for increase in income and management of ecosystem.
आमे जो पानी आनिकरी आमे बहुत सहयोग पाइलु ई गछ लगेगिरी आमे बहुत सहयोग ई गछरले पनी परिबा आमे लगेगिरी ई गछ मासर परिबा पत्र सब भाले आमे ले पैसा पत्र बहुत पाउछु आगे।
The villagers are also protecting the natural forest near the village to secure their forest-based livelihood. Isara has organized animal health camps and helped for fodder cultivation to develop the livestock.
लोकों बहुत अभाव थिले ए मु देखुछि लोकों खाद्य मागी खाउ नांदी रोणा नांदी विभिन्न प्रकार वृक्षलता फल बगीचा आंब जाम कदली काजू बुझला लिची मु देखले औषधीय वृक्ष पिपली लगैछन लोक माने
पिपली पान
लगैछन तापर तेजपत्र लगैछन लवंग लगैछन बहुत बढ़िया लागुछि
जोटा कि गोबरटा ताके कोन करथले बिलर नेगिरी कदा करथले सेटा खरा दिन सुखी 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 वर्षा हला से ढालु अंतले पडुथला किंतु वर्तमान कोन हला जे आमे ताको खत फिट करिया पई कहलु आ ताको घोड़ाया पई कहलु कहला परे से खतटा को एबे नेगिरी परिया बिलर जोटा कि जमीर आर्द्रता बढ़िला उर्वरता बढ़िला आ जमीर केंचुआ भलिया जिनिस मध्य सृष्टि हला।
टेरेसिंग माध्यम रे फील्ड डेवलप हला गाँव रो पानी गुड़ा को माने नाल रे बहुत शीघ्र पड़ुथला तार वेलोसिटी स्पीड जो थिला ताको स्लो हला रन अप टा कंट्रोल हला जो सॉइल इरोजन टा बहुत थिला सेटा सॉइल इरोजन पूरा पूरी कंट्रोल हो जाई कहया चले।
The organization has also taken steps to circulate the information about climate change effects, educate the village to adopt climate resilient actions among the community. Due to the adoption of all these measures, there have been many changes in people's habits and practices. Their habits and practices in agriculture, cropping pattern, soil and water management, forest protection, natural resource management have developed a lot, and it has made them food, nutrition and income secure.